at the car wash. Whoa, whoa.
Sorry. You're getting over it.
It feels like it's going to come in.
Why are you filming in front?
Because it's fun. Way!
Well, if that comes in.
Clear.
Okay, touch your window a little bit.
No good, he thinks I'm taking a picture of him. Sorry, I'll carry on filming you. He probably thinks I'm a pervert. Did you see the way that he stared at me? Switch off your engine.
Am I on?
Huh?
Am I on?
Look where we're going.
Stop.
It was actually recorded.
What are you laughing at?
We're going in, guys. We're going in.
Fucking hell!
Can he hear it? Best TV I've ever seen in a long time. We thought it was brilliant.
Let's assume
Definitely more entertaining than anything on telly last night.
Brilliant.
Myself. Random but brilliant.
He's a cool dude. Come on. Dive.
The highlight of this day.
Way! We're moving. Alright. What is this? What are you doing? Wow! Look at this. It's so fun.
Oh, God,
Is there a window? Shut up.
Oh, my God.
What is he doing? I'm scared. This is so fun. Oh, yay, the thingy thing. I like these ones. Whoa. What if it knocks off your window? Whoa. This is so fun. I love it. There's jets and stuff. We've got to go through it. How the fuck are we going to fit through that? Oh.
How are we going to fit through that fucking hell, Luke?
Whoa.
What do you take to the camera?
It's so fun though. I'm glad you paid £7. Oh, I want to open my window.
What happens
No, it's a blower.
And that's it?
Uh-huh.
Yeah? I hope it's going to the beginning of your door.
Is it?
What fuck?
We have leakage, people!
Never mind. We have seepage.
Seepage of the door.
Can you imagine if dark?
Oh my god!
Get rid of the clothes.
I don't want it to get me! Oh, I like these. Oh, look, it's like TLC. You got to start your engine now.
I don't know. You get a hot wax, don't you? That.
Do ya? Way.
Punch your wings. No. Shit.
No, it wasn't. That was amazing.
That was pretty amazing. I got so tired.
That was good times, people. Good times.